Welcome to Take 5. I'm Stephanie Neal, and today I'm talking about Rockwell Automation's latest acquisitions related to the supply chain and cybersecurity. I recently spoke with Rockwell CEO Blake Moret, who told me that the company has been prioritizing acquisitions based on a new strategic framework around information solutions and connected services. And the biggest move made to date is the acquisition of Plex Systems, a provider of a single instance, multi-tenant software as a service manufacturing platform that delivers MES software and supply chain management capabilities from the cloud. Completed in September, Rockwell bought Plex for $2.2 billion in cash, folding the company into Rockwell's software and control operating segment. That came on the heels of the purchase of Fiix, Inc., a cloud-based artificial intelligence-enabled computer maintenance management system. Together, the technologies that these companies provide position Rockwell with a strong portfolio of cloud-native offerings for production systems. Moret said during our interview, "We've produced intelligent products on the factory floor where data is born. But landing that data into software apps that provide additional insight is important, and the Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform does just that. In addition, Fiix takes data from the plant floor and applies artificial intelligence to help with predictive maintenance." Moret went on to say that the Fiix AI-enabled system connects teams, tools, data, and processes that could lead to the ability to make changes in a closed-loop autonomous control fashion. And when asked how these tools could help manufacturers deal with supply chain disruptions that are currently causing major problems, Moret said that the Plex platform includes supply chain planning modules to gain better visibility into what materials and components are available for production to help inform a flexible manufacturing strategy. Last month, Rockwell announced new investments in its IT and OT cybersecurity offerings that include new partnerships with Dragos for its threat intelligence services and CrowdStrike, a provider of a cloud-delivered endpoint protection platform. This is in addition to Rockwell's recent acquisition of a company called Oylo, a cybersecurity services provider based in Barcelona that provides assessments, turnkey implementations, managed services, and incident response. And Rockwell also acquired Avnet Data Security, an Israeli-based cybersecurity service provider. And all that leads to the opening up of Rockwell's Cybersecurity Operations Center in Israel. The center, which opened in November, focuses on delivering remote cybersecurity services to global customers, adding to the company's existing footprint of 15 remote service centers around the world. Moret also told me that the company is expanding its focus in semiconductor production and in automated warehousing for e-commerce applications. And in 2022, all of the pieces will be integrated to address industry challenges. So there's more to this story coming, and we will continue to deliver all the news to you in 2022.